With the Magician's secret cards, you will always know which card a spectator selects.
Check it out, watch this. Could have had any card, you took that one. This is quite interesting, because if you were to take, for example, the Nine of Diamonds, right? And Louise just goes, boom, like that. It just changes to your selection.
Transform the entire deck into the spectator's chosen card.
That was good. That was mental. That was good.
Well, I'll tell you what, it's madness, because if you put the three of clubs there, right? And for example, I was to take, I don't know, let's say the jack of clubs. If I put the jack of clubs there, put your hand on the jack of clubs, keep it flat, and I've got the three of clubs, right? Watch this. It goes, look, I've got the jack of clubs, what have you got? So put it on there. Put your hand on the jack of clubs more flat. So I've got the three of clubs, you've got the jack of clubs. Watch this. It goes through your hand there like this. Now I've got the jack of clubs. Check out what you've got.
No. Oh, no.
3 or 4 piles like that. And ask you to point to one of those piles. Do you want it here, here, here? Where do you want the three of clubs?
Here.
Not there?
No, here.
All right. Actually, it wouldn't have made any difference if you took them there.
That was amazing. Oh, nice.
And you know what? Sometimes I do cheat, because I know we've got more than one three of clubs sometimes. What you have to do is put this on here, check it out, watch, and then the whole card's changed into three of clubs. Every card. I think this is a great trick. You know, the sort of tricks where you can just spread out like this. You spread the cards, and I'm going to, in a moment, just get you to take any card at all. So just literally touch the back of any card. Yeah, got it? Have a look at it, remember it? You got it? Okay, show everybody at home, that's very important. Okay, just pop it back in here, inside, in the middle. Fair? Okay, this is quite interesting. What I'm going to do now is watch this, watch. Ready? Watch. Take your card. Is that your card?
Yeah.
Take it. Go on, take it.
I can't.
Why not?
Because it's in the window. How do you get it back?
The Magician's Secret Cards is a very special pack of cards indeed. It comprises half the pack of normal regular cards, and half the pack are short cards which are all the same, three of clubs in this case. To start with, you have to set the cards up as follows. Start with the three of clubs, followed by an ordinary card, and go right the way through the pack until they're collated exactly like this, one by one. Square up the cards, and now you're ready to go. To show all the cards the same, what you've got to do is a riffle move, where you put your thumb on top and your fingers holding it like that. Now, just by putting perhaps this finger behind it, you can bow it slightly, and I'm actually going to drop some of the cards bit by bit onto this outstretched palm, like this, by bending it, and that way you can display many different cards so people can see very random card selection as I riffle right the way through the pack. To force a card, do the same movement, but just tell someone to say stop and touch the back of any card. Let's just say this is the card, and it'll always be the chosen card. They could have taken any other card, but if you wave your hand over it, it would appear that the chosen card jumps to the top. Now, it's obviously not the same card, it's a different three of clubs because there's more than one three of clubs, but to the spectator, it will look like their chosen card jumped from the middle of the pack to the top. A very important move is called the double lift. It may take some practice, but it's well worth it because you can riffle through the back of the cards till you've got just two cards there. Turn two cards over as one, like that. Remember, there's two cards there really, and just turn them back again. And now, just take off one card, and it's the chosen card. Again, riffle up the back, take off two cards, a magical gesture, and it changes to the chosen card. To cut to a chosen card, always cut from the short edges like this, and then you'll always see your chosen card. So remember, to show them all different, the faces should be towards the spectators, riffle through them, and they'll look all different. Now, take one of the three of clubs, the top card, transfer it to the bottom, and this time the backs should now face the audience and check out what happens. They're all three of clubs.